With Instant LogOff, you can manage user profiles that fail to unload during LogOff. This behavior can occur in certain applications that do not close their registry handles when they're terminated. Profile unload problems can result in LogOffs that are slow, roaming profiles that do not reconcile, and reaching any registry limitations. This behavior is usually caused by improper coding in either the Microsoft software or third-party software, for example printer drivers, virus scanners, service packs, etc. Let's first start on a standard Windows XP workstation. Let's invoke a remote desktop connection to our terminal server. And when the user gets to the end of their working day, they log off as normal. With the RAS Workspace Manager splash screen enabled, we can see all of the actions as part of the logoff procedure, unloading the policies, unloading the registry, and terminating any applications that may be open. Now let's head over to the RAS Workspace Manager console and have a look at the Instant LogOff configuration. Go to Administration, Performance, Instant LogOff. Here you'll see there's 3 Instant LogOff modes. In the mode Disable but apply configured disconnect behavior, Instant LogOff does not enumerate any registry handles and does not force any applications to close. In the mode Log Only but apply configured disconnect behavior, Instant LogOff does not enumerate any registry handles and does not force any applications to close, but it does report of any problems that occur when unloading user profiles. If RAS Workspace Manager only logs Instant LogOff events, you can determine whether your system experiences problems when unloading user profiles. However, the configured disconnect behavior will still be applied. Finally, in the enabled mode, Instant LogOff takes action if a user profile fails to unload. If you enable Instant LogOff, RAS Workspace Manager enumerates all handles to the user registry if a logoff occurs, and forces to close them if they're not closed automatically. Another feature of Instant LogOff is to disconnect the user when logoff is initiated. The option, Disconnect User Sessions when logoff is initiated, functions irrespective of whether Instant LogOff has been enabled or not. Selecting this option greatly enhances the speed of the system as experienced by the user, but does not affect the actual logoff process. This process will continue in the disconnected session until it's completed. The session will end normally after completion. This option only works in terminal server environments when connecting to a remote desktop session or workstation, for example running Microsoft Windows XP or Microsoft Windows Vista. You can view the actions performed by Instant LogOff in the Instant LogOff log. This information is presented in columns and can also be viewed in a separate properties window by double-clicking the event. With Disconnect User Session when logoff is initiated enabled, let's head back to our workstation. Once again, we'll invoke the remote desktop connection to the terminal server. And as the user, we'll now go and log off. You can see that the user is immediately disconnected from the session, giving perception of fast performance, whilst actually the graceful log off is occurring in the background.